Okay, that's it. Totally gonna die. Bo, let's go. No! That's not fair, boy. You cheated. Boy. Okay. It's 11. How is it 11? Where's my gun? Wow. Okay, Bo. You wanna play? Oh, why am I standing here? This guy in the Dominus, you know that's all. Boys, we do know that's all fake, right? But that dude in that fake Dominus, Bo. Let's go! Oh my gosh, I hit him. It's not fair that he hit me though. Wow. Next. Don't care. No, I don't want to purchase that. Hey, Bo. I only have 5 coins. That's stupid. What do you have in the shop? Go back. I only have 5 coins. Man, I hate you. Hey, Bo. I could talk to you. I don't know what the code is. Oh, hello, dog. No. You do. Oh, you get skins? Kind of way expensive. Just for some skins. Ugh, false stuff. Okay. How about you? I like to talk to you. 5+ level. Okay. Oh, you didn't do nothing for me, I guess. Okay. What team am I on? I'm on red team. Let's go. Good. Just the team I want to be on. Oh. Oh, I know. One guess. Bang! Oh! That's right, boy. Get out of here. Oh! Dominus, dude. Toy Story. Why you Woody? It's not a real cowboy. Woody don't even have a gun. Oh. Oh! Aw, we both killed each other. We both killed each other. It's not fair. Yeah, we both killed each other. How do you get out of here? Okay. Get out of here, you suck. Hey, Dominus! Dominus! Jeez. Stupid Dominus. Hey, Bo, get out of here. That's right. Dominus! Dominus! Oh my gosh. Dominus! Oh, you will die, Dominus. Woody! Oh my gosh. Oh, let's go. I hit him. That's right, boy. You messing with the wrong skills. Wait, I didn't mean to jump off. Dang it. Okay, I didn't mean to jump off, bro. It wasn't my fault. I did not mean to jump. No! No! Why is there even a cliff there? That's the real question here. Get out of here, boy. Thought you had me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, that's not fair. He was following me. I don't get how that's fair that he was following me, though. No, I don't. Oh, he scared me, bro. Go foot out, go out, foot out. I learned my lesson from there. No. Okay, they're all jumping me. They're all up there jumping me, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh. Thought I could have hit. Okay, it's not fair. They're just standing up on that rooftop. Okay, Dominus. Okay. That's right, boy. Thought you had me. But guess what? You didn't have nothing. You don't got nothing on you. Thought you could have had me there, didn't you? Didn't you, boy? Ooh, who's up there? Uh-oh. I missed. No! I jumped off! You made me fall. Why'd you make me fall? Now you pay for it. Of course, they're hitting me. Dominus. Oh, that's gonna hit me. I hit you before, Dominus. Yeah, get hit, Dominus. Boy. Oh my gosh. Come on, guys. I know we could do better than that. Ah! Why you go for that way? Ooh. No! Almost fell. Oh. Dominus! Dude, with the Dominus guy. Come on, bro. You can't be doing that to me. Oh! How does that make sense? Through the wall. That does not make sense at all. And I whined. Dude! Why? Just tell me. Why did you have to do that to me? Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, this guy right here. What's his name? Yep, we're going after him. Looks like they're in a waterfall. It's cheating. There's so much hacking. They're in a waterfall, bro. I don't even know what a waterfall even is. I'm just gonna say that. Oh, there it is. They're over there. See them? Oh, I actually hit one of them. No! I got your buddy, though, at least. I got your friend. Your friend? I got him. I got that boy. That boy was dead for all. Okay. See how it is. See how it really is. It's not fair, though. It's not fair you guys actually won. We were supposed to win that. That's not fair at all. That really does suck. Oh, where are you going? Come here. Oh, okay, I guess not. You don't want to come here. Come here! There you are. You have metal arms. Why is one tiny and why is one big and one's tiny? I don't think that's supposed to be normal size. I think you're supposed to have regular arms. Thanks for watching.